I'm gonna grill a little vegetable here for my couscous. Mediterranean theme. Get all this stuff onto the grill. Go, put them into my bowl here. Now it's time to grill our vegetables for our couscous. High heat. All these burners are cranked now. I've already seasoned with a little salt and pepper. Just gonna use a little fresh rosemary. Now, if you can't count to 5 steamboats, it's too hot. We did slow smoking before, now we're doing high heat grilling. Let's get our vegetables on. These vegetables are done. They're charred really nicely now. Let's get them off. Right into our couscous. Let's make a little couscous here. A lot of people think couscous is a rice, but it's actually wheat. Little balls of wheat. Want to see how easy it is? A little hot water. Let's cover with a little plastic wrap here. "5 minutes, I just made couscous. Just gonna cut up my vegetables now. Let's just fluff our couscous a bit. Get some air in there, just nice and fluffy now. Because we want to add all our vegetables in here. All right, let's go. Getting some of those leeks in there, that onion flavor, the zucchinis, all that freshness that they give. And the red and yellow peppers, the sweetness that they give. Red onion, woo. More onion flavor and more kick. Let's just mix that all up. That's really coming together. That looks so colorful. Just get a quick taste. Now we have to season that. We have some capers here. We can add a little saltiness. Touch of that brine on there too. Little salt, little pepper, and we'll put some of that lemon in there to wake up all those flavors now. Nice little zing, zing, zing. Just mix that around. Little olive oil. Moisten that up. Bring all those Mediterranean flavors together. We just gotta garnish this a little bit more. What am I gonna use? Maybe a little basil. Ooh. I'm just gonna tear it by hand, put it on top. Let's just wrap it back up, leave it at room temperature, and this is ready to go. Couscous in a bowl.